Time has come to draw a curtain to our program as we come to the close of it. A very good afternoon and warm welcome to the valedictory function Idam Nam Mama of Agneya 2021. The last 2 days, we have had deep insight from many scholars. Thank you very much to all. As we come to the valedictory function, I would like to take this opportunity to extend a gracious welcome to all of you once again. Let's begin the function by invoking the blessing from Almighty.
ഓം ശ്രീ ധന്വന്തരയേ നമഃ. ഓം ശ്രീ ധന്വന്തരയേ നമഃ. ഓം ശ്രീ ധന്വന്തരയേ നമഃ. ശംഖം ചക്രം ജളൂകാ ദധതമമൃതകുംഭം ച ദോർഭിശ്ചതുർഭിഃ സൂക്ഷ്മസ്വച്ഛാതിഹൃദ്യാം ശുകപരിവിലസൻ മൗലിമംഭോജനേത്രം കാളാംഭോദോജ്വലാംഗം കടിതടവിലസച്ചാരുപീതാംബരാഢ്യം വന്ദേ ധന്വന്തരിം തം നിഖിലഗദവന പ്രൗഢദാവാഗ്നിലീലം. അച്യുതാനന്ദ ഗോവിന്ദ വിഷ്ണോർനാരായണാമൃത രോഗാന്മേ നാശയാശേഷാൻ ആശു ധന്വന്തരേ ഹരേ. തരുണാംബുദസുന്ദരസ്തദാ ത്വം നനു ധന്വന്തരിരുദ്ധിതോംബുരാശേഃ അമൃതം കലശേ വഹൻ കരാഭ്യാം അഖിലാർത്തിം ഹരമാരുതാലയേശ. സ്വസ്തി പ്രജാഭ്യഃ പരിപാലയന്താം ന്യായേണ മാർഗേണ മഹീം മഹീശാഃ. ഗോബ്രാഹ്മണേഭ്യഃ ശുഭമസ്തു നിത്യം. ലോകാഃ സമസ്താഃ സുഖിനോ ഭവന്തു. ലോകാഃ സമസ്താഃ സുഖിനോ ഭവന്തു. ലോകാഃ സമസ്താഃ സുഖിനോ ഭവന്തു. ഓം ശാന്തി ശാന്തി शान्तिः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ।
Now I would like to call upon Dr. Ambili Vyat, TGSA Secretary, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, to welcome all.
Good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Dr. Ambili Vyat, PGSA Secretary of Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College. It gives me immense warmth and great pleasure to grace all of your presence. Heartfelt welcome to everyone to the valedictory function Idam Namama of ACNEA 2021, the 3-day national seminar. Finally, the days of effort has fruitfully come to its end. It's indeed a proud moment for me to speak on this auspicious occasion. First of all, I proudly welcome the General Convener of ACNEA 2021, our beloved Dr. P. Gauri Shankar Sir, Professor, HOD, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, to the function. Welcome you, sir. I am profusely overjoyed to take the opportunity to welcome Dr. N.D. Sheba, Principal, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College. Heartfelt welcome, ma'am. I am extremely privileged to welcome the Program Coordinator of ACNEA 2021, Dr. Navneet Krishnan, Professor, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, to this auspicious occasion. Welcome you, sir. With much pride, I welcome Dr. P.V. Giri, Professor, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, to this ceremony. Welcome you, sir. I welcome Dr. Subarya Subhash, who is here to propose the vote of thanks. Welcome, Doctor. Last, but certainly not the least, I welcome all the participants, faculties, coordinators, judges, and all those who are present here. Well, warm welcome to all. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Ambili. I'm very much delighted to invite Dr. P. Gauri Shankar Sir, Professor and HOD, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, to deliver the presidential address.
Respected Principal, Dr. M.D. Sheba Madam, Dr. Ambili, Dr. Navneet Krishna, Dr. Giri, Dr. Subarya, and those who are attending this ACNEA 2021 National Seminar on Gastrointestinal Diseases. So we are in the 9th session, as named as Idam Namama. The complete to complete that Idam Namama, some more words are there. We will prior to that. Those are Agnaye Swaha Idam Namama. Our program named giving the importance to Agni, as the Kaya Chikitsa persons mainly depend upon, or Kaya Chikitsa persons mainly focus on Agni. If Agni is there, everything is okay. If Agni is not proper, some diseases may occur. So this is our aim, and we have we are attending the Agnaye Swaha Idam Namama valedictory function. Here, we were the Department of Kaya Chikitsa. They are thinking 6 months back, but due to some COVID and so many other factors, we could not do it, or we did not formulate it, or we could not arrange it in a proper way. But when the COVID is almost on the way, and even then we were having so many patients to treat with COVID and IP as well as OP level, we thought that or most of the patients were having some complaints with their Agni. So we thought of thinking, why can't we have a seminar on Agni, mainly focusing on Agni. So with that idea, we have started thinking of a national seminar on Agni in the name of Agneya 2021. That was the background behind us. And then slowly, when we have approached to the authorities, the principal, faculties, and eminent personalities, all of them have agreed for the time being, and we have selected and we have taken the, the advances we were advancing. And in that, we thought that we will be having a paper presentation competition, then some lectures, and of course, a gathering of eminent elderly gurus. So that was our idea. And we were thought that we will be having some around 100 to 250 research papers. But totally, we have received around 472 research papers that we have scanned, scrutinized in 17 rooms. Primarily, in each room, 25 candidates were there. And later, it has taken to 54 selected. We have selected 54 candidates for the second round, as and that 55 candidates were put in 4 rooms, and again we were having the selection for 12 candidates. And parallelly, we were having some purpose from delegate, the teaching faculties as well as practitioners. That also put in 2 other rooms. So in the second round, there were 6 rooms. In each room, 25 candidates were there. Then from there, from faculties and practitioners, we have taken uh, 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 8 papers, and from the participants who are contesting for the cash prize award. From that, we have taken 12 candidates, and the 12 candidates uh, they came in the final, and in finals it was something like a discussion classroom or something like that. And in the next day, we were having 5 different types of classes by the eminent personalities from the field of gastrointestinal persons who are dealing with the gastrointestinal diseases. And today morning, we had um, a discussion or class of the selected 8 papers from the faculties and practitioners. And after that, we had this invited talks of our acharyas in different topics, just like Sabdyo Omana, Sabdyo Virajana, then Vaidaranavasti, like that we were having. And we have discussed the science in a best way. And in the evening, we are in the Agneya Swaha Udam Namama. Now, in this function, in this program, we will be announcing the prizes. This after some time, and we are so delighted that we had totally around 980 raised. It was amazing. We have arranged 1,000 seats only in this Zoom platform. And when it has reached 980, we have closed the registration form and all, and we could do in a better way. Now, we have we have done this Agnihotra actually, and Agnihotra we have done everything for Agni and our idea. So with these words, let me conclude my presidential address on the session Agneye Swaha Idam Namama. Namaste, namaste to all. Namaste.
Thank you, sir. Next, we shall move on to the inaugural function. May I take the pleasure to invite Dr. M.D. Sheba, Principal of Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, for the inaugural address.
Thank you, Dr. Subarya. Dr. Gauri Shankar, Professor and HOD, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, and Dr. Giri, Professor, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Dr. Navaneet, Dr. Ambli, Dr. Subarya, and a very good afternoon to all. Over the last 2 days, we have had deep insights into several topics in gastrointestinal disorders as we focused on in-depth knowledge on dative pathogenesis and management of gastrointestinal disorders. We had invited talks from eminent teachers and practitioners, senior officials from all over India. They shared their views, and their presence in this national seminar is indeed a source of motivation for our emerging graduates and practitioners. A positive indulgence was observed from the panel discussion, and it nourished the seminar with great value. The event reflects the growing realization that we have to adopt the changing methods in diagnosis and treatment in this particular subject, and also prepare ourselves to meet emerging challenges from other medical fields. I'm sure the seminar has made a major contribution to enhancing the knowledge about the diseases of gastrointestinal tract. I'm also glad to know that a huge participation of delegates from all over the country was there. And I take this opportunity to congratulate the General Convener, Professor Dr. Gauri Shankar, conveners Dr. Giri, Dr. Edu Narayanan Mose, Dr. Medi, and the program coordinator, Dr. Navaneet Krishnan, on behalf of Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, for conducting such an amazing conference in this important subject. It is indeed the hard work offered from the department in connecting people in and around the country. I take this opportunity to congratulate especially the head of department, Professor Dr. Gauri Shankar, for his national association in the field of Ayurveda to bring great scholars for the national seminar. I also extend my wholehearted thanks to all the PG students for their hard way all these 3 days for the success of the seminar. I like to compliment all the faculties of Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College for the great support offered for the National Seminar Agneya 21. And I'm very happy to declare that the validatory function is opened. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm extremely privileged to invite Dr. Navaneet Krishnan, Assistant Professor, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, the backbone of Agneya 2021, for the briefing of Agneya 2021 events.
Thank you, Dr. Supadia. Respected Principal, Dr. Shekha Madam, respected HOD, Dr. Jodi Shankar Sir, respected Professor Dr. Giri Sir, dear PG students and all delegates, Namaste to you. So on this occasion, I'm going to all events happen in this 3 days. Total 977 candidates were registered for Agneya 2020. That includes faculties, practitioners, researchers, PG students, and UG students all over the India. From almost all states and health universities, representations were there. There were few candidates even from outside India also. In this registered candidates, 227 UG students and 51 faculties or practitioners presented their papers. On first day of Agneya 2021, in first session, we screened these 427 papers in 17 virtual rooms and selected 54 papers from that. 51 faculties or practitioners were there in judging panel, and through their support, we completed that process. We named this session as Agni Adhan. The next session was the inaugural function, Agni E-Day, and the national seminar, Agneya 2021, was inaugurated by respected Registrar of Kerala Health University, Dr. Manoj Kumar Sir. The presidential address was delivered by respected Principal of Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, Dr. Shiva Madam. The welcome address was delivered by Dr. P.V. Giri Sir, Professor in Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College. And the program briefing was delivered by Dr. P. Gauri Shankar Sir, Professor and HOD, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College. The felicitations were delivered by Swami Shankaramritananda Puri, Director, Amrita School of Ayurveda, Dr. Geeta Krishan Sir, Ayush Research Director, WHO, and Dr. B.R. Ramakrishna, Vice Chancellor, S. Vyasa University. Then, guest of honor to Dr. P. Madhavankutti Warrior Sir, Chief Physician and Trustee, Ayurvedashala Kottakkal, and an invited talk by Dr. Yadu Narayanan Moose, Executive Director, Vaidyaratnam Aushadashala, was also there in that session. The vote of thanks was delivered by Dr. Ajish, PGSA Secretary. Next session was Vande Guru Parambara, and in that session, we honored 45 Vriddha Vaidyas all over India. Next session was the keynote address named as Agneya Naya Supatha, was delivered by Dr. G.G. Gangadharan Sir. In afternoon session named as Jnana Agni Pariksha, the screened 54 candidates presented their papers again with minimal discussion in 4 virtual rooms. All 54 candidates were there in online, and the question answer session was very productive. 12 judges and 4 coordinators were supported in this session, and they selected 12 best presentations from this. On the same time, the presentations of faculties and practitioners were also be arranged in 2 virtual rooms, and the best 8 papers were selected from that. On the same day itself, we organized the grand finale, and 3 experienced eminent judges and 2 subject experts intensely scrutinized the 12 participants and they selected the best 3 presentations. On second day of Agneya 2021, 5 scientific sessions were there by experienced academicians and researchers from different parts of India. The first scientific paper was delivered by a modern physician, Dr. Varghese De Jason, and that was completely an attention-grabbing one. Surprisingly, he got an internationally accepted gastroenterologist, and he offered an additional scientific session on the same day. Dr. Ram Manohar sir, Dr. Prasanna Mogasale sir, Dr. S.N. Oja sir, Dr. Srikant Babu sir were nicely shared their wisdom. Last day of National Seminar Agneya 2021 was started with a scientific session named as Jnanagni Mukha. In this scientific session, selected 8 best papers from faculties and practitioners were presented again with more discussion from experts judging panel. The next session was Jnanagni Prasara, and it was a panel discussion where 8 eminent scholars shared their vision on different areas of GI disorders. Plenty of doctors and students attended all these 3 days of scientific sessions and cleared their doubts regarding GI disorders. By all these, we can say that this Agneya 2021 is accepted by all Ayurvedic fraternity. Success and satisfaction are 2 different things. We are not right persons to say Agneya 2021 is a success, but we can say that we are satisfied. How it happened? It mainly due to 2 things. Primarily due to the wide acceptance and national acceptance of brand Vaidyaratnam, and secondarily due to the selfless teamwork and hard work from Team Agneya. Thank you for all Ayurvedic fraternity to support us. Once again, regards from Team Agneya. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Next, I invite the most respected Dr. P.B. Giri, Professor, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, to enlighten us with his words of wisdom.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected Shiba Madam, Gauri Shankar sir, Dr. Navadip Krishnan sir, Dr. Suparya, Dr. Ambali, and I recognize the presence of Dr. Professor Suresh Kumar sir, who is here now with us, and all the delegates who is attending this program. As a good afternoon to all. Once again, welcome to this concluding session. So we have started this on the basis that it's a translation from the theoretical slokas to the clinical setting. Translating means not merely language translation, the concept translated, so that the Ayurvedic fraternity can use this yogas in their day-to-day practice to improve their clinical expertise. So how far we gain this, as Dr. Navadip Krishnan said, that you have to decide. Anyway, we as a part of this organizational committee, I feel that there is a room for improvement. Definitely we will look into that. But this was a unique idea that only these the yogas were taken into consideration. And we know that we could not say that the treatment has gone very well because of the fact that it's whole, we are taken the wholly the gastrointestinal system, not a particular disease. So the concept is different. So we came across different type of concepts regarding this. One among these was the microbiota, very well explained by a specialist. And again, that has been related to the Agni, Ama, and even the Rome 3 classification criteria was related to the, according to that doshaja predominance. So in that way, we entered into that research area also. And the concept of pharma and concept of Deepana, Pachana, so that we're discussing a lot of things. And in the presentations, we came across a lot of presentation that is interesting that so many people presented the common medications like Ashtajurna, the Hingu Turguna, Vaishwanara Churna, etc. in a different aspect. So that is very important. So in different conditions, it can be given. So that was interesting one. And not only that, from the northern part, the doctors presented with the Rasaushadis, which was actually, to an extent, we can say that was an introduction to the southern region very well. So that simply presented and which can be used because it's cost effective also. So with contraindication they have presented, that was very useful to us, and especially the Naligara Khanda and Naligara Lavana, who was day-to-day practice, they were using it. And the Yashti Krita in mucositis and the Paniyakshara in cancer. So all these things, you have to look into that. So we will, in next time, when it column permits, we will meet again. So we had to do all these things together. And important things that somebody was asking in the earlier, that how to maintain this intestinal, that is a microbiota. So Brahmya Muhurte Uttishte Jirna. So that's the thing. So Dinacharya has an important role to play, and Patyavatya, that also today we discussed. And the modern medicines are also said that the dietary modification are important factor to maintain your microbiota. And whichever food you like to have in that particular disease condition, only that type of food you have to take. So the mind has an important role to play in that. Now also was a discussion. So all these things we discussed a lot, but of course there is a room for improvisation and improvement. And us all, we know that you have to know our body better. In Bhagavad Gita, as it says, idam shariram kaundeya kshetra nitya vidhyate kshetrajna yo veti tam prahuti tadvidaha. So that is one who knows his body lives long. That's an important factor. So it has to be noted, I think. Anyway, Team Agneya has done well as a part of, even though I am a part of this organizing committee, we feel proud that we have presented in a different manner. Of course, in next time we'll be improving it and improvising it in a more better manner. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, we move on to the declaration of winners of Agneya 2021. Talent and skills are the crops that are nurtured, groomed, and given all possible opportunity to grow and bloom. This is a much awaited event for all participants, as it gives the return to the effort put in by them. It is a moment full of joy, a moment about pride and accomplishment and celebrations. It gives a sense of achievement and responsibility towards fulfilling further commitments. This is a moment our heart gets filled with mixed feelings, fulfillment, anxiety, and eagerness. Without much wasting of time, let me invite Dr. Gauri Shankar to declare the prize winners.
Namaste. So we are in the last part of our Agneya 2021 declaration of these prizes. So the third prize goes to register number 619, Dr. Priyanka Hebelli, PG Scholar, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Government Ayurveda Medical College, Mysore. She gets the third prize. Now, the second prize for third prize, we are giving a cash prize of rupees 5,000. And the topic title was Narigala Lavana, Nectar in Gastrointestinal Disorders. Thank you. Congratulations to Dr. Priyanka Hebelli. Now, the second prize. Second prize, the register number is 835. Dr. Prithvi N. Bhatt, PG Scholar, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Alvas Ayurveda Medical College, Nodabetri. She will be awarded with a prize, cash prize of rupees 7,000. Her title was Critical Analysis of Sudhashekhar Rasa in Gastrointestinal Disorders. Congratulations to Dr. Prithvi and Bhatt. Now let me announce the first prize. Register number is 773. Dr. Karthik KP, PG Scholar, Department of Kaimara Bhritya, All India Institute of Ayurveda, New Delhi. So, his topic was Ashtajurna. So, congratulations to Dr. Karthik KP for acquiring the first prize. Now, one special jury consolation prize also has been announced from the jury team. That is register number 848. Dr. Revati Prasad, PG Scholar, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Government Ayurveda Medical College, Tripunithura. The role of Ingutruguna Taila in the management of gastrointestinal disorders. So congratulations to Dr. Revati Prasad also. Now, I take this opportunity to invite Dr. Karthik. Dr. Karthik, is he online? Dr. Karthik?
No, sir, he's not there.
He is not here. Okay. Dr. Prithvi N. Bhatt.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Dr. Prithvi N. Bhatt. Can you have some words of experience?
Sir.
Can you have some words of experience?
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on.
Yes, sir. Namaste, sir. Namaste, one and all present here. I am very overwhelmed. Actually, I have joined my PG studies since 1 month only. I have tried my level best to present what I know. And I am very happy that I got selected for the second prize. And it's very best opportunity for every student to learn in these 3 days.
very much practical aspects too. So I'm very, very happy for that. And the program is also very well organized, and every problem, from each and every corner of the this places, many people were participated. I'm very happy that I got the opportunity to participate and got prize. Let your blessings be like this forever, sir. Thank you so much.
Dr. Priyanka Hebelli. Dr. Priyanka, is she here?
No, sir, she's not.
Dr. Revati Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Dr. Revati. Dr. Revati Prasad.
Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Hello, Dr. Revati, please unmute yourself.
Dr. Revati.
She's not here, sir, right now.
Okay, so these are the prices, and we will announce a list of finalist ranks. That is first rank 773, second 835, third 619, fourth 848, fifth 1024, sixth 734, seventh 799, eighth 1083, ninth 806, 10th 886, 11th 578. For all the contestants for this program, Agneya 2021. Thank you so much. Back to Dr. Hello. Hello,
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Revati. Dr. Revati Prasad. Yes, please unmute in this program. Yes, come on, Dr. Revati.
Hello, sir.
Yes, come on. Please share your
Sir,
experience.
actually, sir, it was really a great experience for me to share a great platform with this in front of eminent speakers. I could present this topic in the maximum effort I had taken for this, and I could present well. And I'm really thankful to Team Acne for giving me such a great chance for expressing my views on my topic. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Over to Dr.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Over to Dr.
Congratulations to all participants. As Bobby Knight says, the key is not the will to win. Everybody has that. It is the will to prepare to win. That is important. Everyone is a winner here. Thank you all. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. As we come to the close of our valedictory ceremony, I invite Dr. Subarya Subhash, PGSA President, Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Ambali. Good evening, all. I, Dr. Subarya, PG Scholar of Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, consider this occasion as an honor and privilege to extend the vote of thanks. Feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Today, I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words for making this event Agneya 2021 a great success. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty for the countless blessings and making this day a magnificent one. I would like to thank our Honorable Ashtavaidyan Dr. E.T. Neelakandan sir, who have been with us right from the beginning. Your words at the brochure releasing ceremony filled us with positive vibe. Thank you very much, sir. With immense pleasure, I would like to thank our Professor and HOD, Kai Chikitsa Department, the most respected Dr. P. Gaurishankar sir, for his solid support and timely monitoring in every aspect. It is your appreciation and words that endures us in all the effort. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I would also like to thank our beloved Professor of Kai Chikitsa Department, Dr. P.V. Giri sir, for his guidance and moral support. He is the man behind the artistic touch of our brochure and certificates. Thank you very much, sir, for your dynamic presence throughout the event. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Mary Kuti, Miss, our beloved Assistant Professor of Kai Chikitsa Department, who graced us with her presence and guidelines. Thank you so much, ma'am. I especially thank our beloved Assistant Professor of Kai Chikitsa Department, Dr. Navaneet Krishnan, who have been the backbone of Agneya. It is your presence in our program encourage us to do our best. You are the reason for ending our best in us. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Yadu Narayanan Mus, program convener of Agneya and executive director of Vaidyaratnam Avshadashala, for your blessing and moral support. Thank you, sir. We have been fortunate to be assisted by our principal, Dr. Sheba ma'am. You have been a constant support and given us a lot of encouragement. Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to thank all the respected representatives who have blessed us with their presence. I would like to thank all the teachers of Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College for their guidelines and constant support throughout these days. I would like to thank all the organizing teams and staff members for their sincere cooperation. On behalf of the whole crew, I am extremely thankful to the IT team of Vaidyaratnam for rendering us to tireless service of all these 3 days. I am also thankful for the administration in general for rendering us with all possible logistic towards organizing this event. I'm very much thankful to the entire sponsors of this event. Without their support, it would not have been possible to organize this. Special note of thanks to Dr. Sham and Dr. Rahul for their countless service and active participation. Thank you very much, sir, and thank you, Pradigna. I take this opportunity to extend my sincere thanks to all the guests for their cooperation and support. It seemed to be a great honor to express my sincere gratitude to the judging panel and coordinators. We sincerely appreciate your time and effort in making this contest as a success. Thank you all. I would like to thank the marketing team of Vaidyaratnam outside Kerala who have greatly helped us in organizing this event. I thank all the resource persons who shared their wisdom in the scientific session. I am grateful to all the speakers for gracing your crucial work and sharing with us your opinion and for your enthusiastic participation. I would like to thank all the participants for these days. It is your ability that made these days a very memorable one. I sincerely thank the staff members for serving us with snacks and food. I would like to thank the House Surgeons Association and the Student Union of Vaidyaratnam College for their moral support. This speech would be incomplete if I do not mention a vote of thanks to my colleagues, PG scholars of Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, Kai Chikitsa Department, for their day-night cooperation and effort throughout these days. Thank you all very much. Last but not the least, special note of thanks to all those who showed their interest in this program. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight and needs meticulous planning and execution. I cannot thank each one enough for their involvement they have shown and the willingness they have exposed to taken on this completion of the work beyond their comfort zone. I'm surely going to miss these days. I have spent here and will use what I have learned here in my future endeavor. I mention my deepest sense of appreciation to all because of whom we made this event Agneya 2021 a great success. Remember, success is only for those who work hard and run till the end. Never give up until you achieve your dreams big and go for it as long as you can. So run your destination with strong determination. On behalf of the whole crew of Agneya 2021, thanking everyone from the bottom of my heart to everyone once again. Thank you. Thank you all.